The recently launched BMW X2 gets a series of M performance parts that aim to enhance its already sporty appearance. In addition to accentuating interior and exterior design, many of the M performance parts also meet functional criteria and enhance lightweight construction. For example, M Performance front radiator grills in high-gloss black are available for the BMW X2, along with exterior mirror caps in carbon fiber and the lower section of the front bumper painted now in black. The interior of the BMW X2 gets M Performance floor mats made of velour velvet with a leather look surround and contrasting decorative seams. The M Performance steering wheel ensures the driver of a BMW X2 retains a perfect grip on everything. It has distinct, specially lined grip areas which are covered with Alcantara. The upper and lower part of the steering wheel are also covered in high-quality leather, as is the accompanying steering wheel trim panel. A red motorsports marking in the 12-0 lock position matches the silver-gray, hand-sewn cross-stitch seam. A 20-inch summer complete wheel set styling 717M is available for the BMW X2, in matte black finish. While not as extensive as the M Performance parts program for other models, the X2 program is sufficient for those that aim to add extra flair to their cars.